Hello everyone, this is Amanda and today we are talking about something about Alibaba Agent. So first of all, we need to clarify what is Alibaba Agent. So Alibaba Agent is a service that helps international traders order items from China to their country. And they will find a company that can provide some service, such as find the suppliers, negotiate the price, consolidate items from different suppliers, manage quality check, and arrange shipping. This is the whole process they can provide. So first, Alibaba Sourcing Agent. For some international traders, they may need to purchase daily use items or promotional items. There are many SKU. So better you find a sourcing agent. They can save your time and improve your working efficient. And also for sometimes you can also check on 1688 because in there you can find something cheaper price and also lower MOQ. For example, some clients hired us as an Alibaba agent. We will order them from Alibaba.com, 1688.com, and some local market in China. And now you can look here. Here is one of my clients. He ordered many low MOQ items from 1688. I will consolidate all this together here, and I will take a picture for him. And some items may need a repack. We will do repack like this. And also there are some AI you can use, so they can recommend some suppliers to you, and you need to check again yourself to see which one is good or not good for your market. Second, Alibaba Shipping Agent. So why you need a shipping agent? So first, China is a very big place and there are many suppliers in different provinces in China. So you may order from this province, you may order from that province. So shipping agent do is consolidate all the items into one warehouse and send to you in one time. So this way you can save some shipping cost. Otherwise, one supplier send you one time, one supplier send you one time. The shipping cost will be very high. And now you can see here, there is my client. We do consolidation for him. And you can see here is what we do is the shipping mark. We will put a new shipping mark and consolidate all the items from different suppliers. And we will load the container in our warehouse and arrange shipping to him one time. And sometimes you may need help with custom declaration in China. Then you can find a shipping agent. They will solve the problem and be a good assistance for you. And sometimes you may order something like liquid or powder or items with battery. These are all sensitive items. These are not easy way to ship. So you may find a shipping agent. They have more shipping ways to ship these sensitive items. And also for some countries, like African countries or South American countries, they have more shipping lines to these countries, not only air shipping, but also sea shipping. So where to find a shipping agent? You can go to online and also go to offline. So go online, you can search on Alibaba.com, you can search shipping agent, there will be many choice, but the price will be little higher and choice will be little less. Then you can go to offline, such as Google. You can search there, you will find more choice and the price may be better. So you can see which one is suitable for you. Third, inspection agent. There is on-site and off-site. So before you pay your balance, you need to see your items is in a good conditions or not. So you better find an inspection agent to check these items. So you can find an inspection agent online or offline. So for example, you can just search inspection agent on Alibaba.com and find the company. They will go to your supplier's warehouse and check the items. Then they will give you a report to see more details of the item's conditions. Then we talk about offsite. For offsite, usually they will send all the items to the third-party warehouse and check. So for example, you can see here, these watch bands are from my clients. He ordered from his suppliers and all these are sent to our warehouse. we will count the quantity, and also we will check if the designs, colors are the correct. And also, for sometimes, some clients may need full inspection and repack. So you can see here. Here is my client. He ordered this himself and sent all this to our warehouse. We will do repack like this. Like this, we do repack for him, and during the repack, we will do full inspection to see if there is anything wrong for these items. To conclusion, you may not need an Alibaba agent, but you may need some service we talked above. And also, if you need an Alibaba agent or not, it depends on your request and your business. So if you have any further questions, you can feel free to contact with me.